Let's open the KYT NFG Radar Red. It's a large size. Red and black, half face. It has the double visor, of course. That's nice, you got it on the side. So basically the NFG is very similar size as the NFR at the back. Very nice, same design. Lock system is there. Like this. The foam is the same as the NFR, and most of the KYT helmet has the same foam now. You got the ICC stickers already inside. The weight is 1450 grams. You have the vent on top. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Good half face helmet. The price SRP for this is 3,500 pesos. So if you're looking for something small, simple, very comfortable inside also. So yeah, NFG. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have Titico's dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter. Motul scooter oil 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in the link in this description for Eclo by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.